friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious sweet onion radish soup. Hope you like it. Delicious white radish shaved into strips. It feels like eating noodles. With both sweet ingredients, this soup tastes sweet and delicious. Optional to add meatballs if you like. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Let's start cooking. Onion radish soup. Ingredients: radish, onion, spring onion. Peel and slice the white radish. Diced spring onion. Place onion green and onion white separately. Sliced onion. Stir fry onion and onion white until fragrant. Pour half bowl water and bring into boil. Add radish slices. Seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Simmer to release flavor. Soup is done when radishes turn transparent. Plate soup. You can pick up the white radish and pour it into the soup. Garnish with onion green. Delicious radish soup is ready to be eaten. Eating cooked white radish is gentle on the stomach and intestines and can eliminate food accumulation, aid digestion, and promote bowel movements. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. White radish is cool in nature and can relieve dryness and heat in the body, resolve phlegm and clear away heat. Most patients with bronchitis have a hot constitution, so when you have cough, sputum, wheezing, etc., you can eat some white radish appropriately. What should not be eaten with white radish? It should not be eaten with ginseng or American ginseng. The two are incompatible and eating them together will cause discomfort. It should not be eaten with citrus. White radish hinders the thyroid gland's uptake of iodine, and citrus strengthens the inhibition of thiocyanate on the thyroid gland. It should not be eaten with carrots. The ascorbic acid enzyme in carrots destroys the vitamin C in white radish, reducing the nutritional value of both. It should not be eaten with snake meat. Who should not drink white radish soup? People with constipation should also eat less white radish, because white radish is a cold food. Eating too much cold food in winter will make the spleen and stomach weaker and worsen the disease. Not only that, radish also contains a lot of water. Long-term consumption will lead to kidney weakness and even dehydration. Therefore, people with poor kidneys and frequent constipation should eat less white radish. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.